I thought it was important to tell you exactly why I like Pure Body protein so much and why I decided to share it with you now. So, one of my close girlfriends kept raving to me about this new product she found. She was telling me how great it made her feel and how she was losing weight from it. And her hair was thicker and the fine lines and wrinkles on her face appeared less. And she felt really energetic and really alert. And she was burning fat. Now trust me, I'm very skeptical about these kind of things because I've heard this all before 100 times, like I'm sure you have. But she was really insistent about it. And I was thinking it had to be some multi-level marketing scheme, but it wasn't. So the next time I was at her house, I tried a Pure Body protein chocolate shake. And I was kind of shocked because it was actually good. It was delicious, in fact, and it was thick and creamy. And I knew it was super healthy. And I'm not a nutritionist, but I read a lot about what I need to do personally to stay in shape and what I need to do to be healthy. And like you, I've seen a lot of weight loss scams and false promises and bad information. I did my research on this and I discovered that the Pure Body protein formula was actually developed for use by Olympic athletes, top NFL and NBA athletes, to help them speed the recovery time and maintain muscle mass and stay healthy during all of that daily pounding and stress. Like, these guys get more exercise in one game than most people get in a year. So that just made sense to me. And it made sense to me that the vitamins and minerals contained in the shake were really special. In any case, I got a can, then I got 6 cans, then I noticed my kids love it too, which really made me excited. And I learned that I could bake with it and I could make waffles and brownies and cookies, and my kids don't even know the difference. And I could convert bad foods into good protein-packed foods to help grow their bodies. The most asked question of me has always been, how do you stay in shape? So I realized it was actually my duty to get the word out to you guys, what really works and how I stay in shape. So I'm sure you're gonna enjoy the way it tastes, and I know you're gonna love how it makes you feel and how it makes you look, so read on.